Hello everybody, this is Mirna Esguerra and today I'm here with Alison Hetland, this year's representative of Pampanga to Miss Universe Philippines.
Yes.
And we're gonna do fast talk.
Oh
Ano?
my gosh. Ano?
Tara.
Of course.
Let's
Born
do
ready.
it.
Go.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers.
Glam or natural look?
Natural look.
Introvert or extrovert?
Hala. In the middle. Ambivert. Ambivert.
Ambivert, same. Morning person or night owl?
Depende sa ganap. Pero usually night owl.
Yeah.
I'm a night owl.
True. Yes or no? Ready to win the crown?
Yes.
Let's go. Pageant gown or casual fit?
Casual fit.
Beach or mountains?
Beach. Beach. All day.
One word to describe yourself.
Beautiful.
Ah, girl. I agree. Favorite hype song before going on stage?
Any Latina song that's gonna ump me up.
Parang ano,
Tama.